Welcome to the 2022 Unity Beginners course. This is episode 2, and I will show you the Unity editor interface. The editor consists of multiple tabs. You can drag and resize these tabs based on your preference. Don't get afraid of these tabs, as I will guide you through the ones you see right now later in this episode, and I will talk about them in detail in later episodes. The scene view in the middle allows you to edit objects in the scene easily. You can move around the entire scene, and level design is much more efficient by using the scene view. The next tab is the game view. It displays what the player will actually see. You can play the game and interact with UI elements using this game view. The tab on the left is the hierarchy. It is a tree view, and it displays a list of all objects in the scene. You can rearrange the orders of the objects, rename them, and create new ones. The Project tab at the bottom is like the File Explorer in Windows. It displays the files and assets in the project directory, and you can create new assets, rename, move, and delete files directly using this tab. The Console tab shows the runtime output messages. It also displays error messages, making it extremely useful for debugging. The Inspector tab on the right allows you to edit the properties of objects. You can also add different components to objects, and it is useful for setting predefined values for scripts, as well as fine-tuning values. The Asset Store tab is no longer functional in newer versions, as the Unity officials have combined the Asset Store into the Package Manager. You can simply close this tab by right-clicking on the tab name and choose Close Tab. To move a tab, simply click the tab name and drag it to your desired spot. The tab gets detached into a unique window if it is not snapped. There are so many more features and tabs that you can access via the toolbar at the top. I will talk about them in detail in the upcoming episodes. This is episode 2 of the 2022 Unity Beginners course. I am Yeahlowflicker, and I will see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.